Hello, you're watching the Auto Advisor channel. In this video, we're going to talk about car additives and how they can affect your engine. Car additives, those substances you add to your fuel or oil with the intent to improve performance, reduce emissions, or clean your engine. The question is, are they really worth it? Can they actually do more harm than good? In a world of myriad car additives, it's crucial to understand that they're not all created equal. Some could potentially do more harm than good, especially if misused or overused. For instance, certain fuel additives might wreak havoc on your fuel injectors, catalytic converter, or oxygen sensor. Some oil additives could lead to sludge buildup, reduce lubrication, or even interfere with your oil filter. Even engine cleaners aren't exempt from causing potential harm. They could strip away the protective coating of your cylinders, pistons, and valves. The truth is, not all car additives are created equal. Some of them can actually do more harm than good. So, how do you know which car additives to use and which ones to avoid? Well, let's dive into the different types of car additives, including fuel stabilizer, octane booster, and oil additive. First off, we have the fuel stabilizer. This is a star player if you store your car for extended periods or drive it infrequently. Fuel stabilizers are like the guardian angels of your fuel system, preventing the fuel from degrading and forming gum and varnish. These pesky substances can clog your fuel system, leading to significant damage to your engine over time. Next up, we have the octane booster. Now, this additive is your go-to if you have a high-performance engine that thirsts for high-octane fuel. The octane booster steps in to increase the octane rating of your fuel, which helps prevent knocking and pinging that could otherwise harm your engine. Think of it as the bodyguard for your high-performance engine, stepping in when things get rough. Lastly, let's talk about oil additives. These are a fantastic choice if you're dealing with an older engine that burns or leaks oil. Oil additives roll up their sleeves and get to work restoring the viscosity and seal of your oil. This reduces oil consumption and leakage, giving your engine a new lease on life. Now, when should you use each of these additives? Fuel stabilizers are best used when storing your car for long periods, or if you're an infrequent driver. Octane boosters are most effective for high-performance engines that require high-octane fuel. And oil additives? They're perfect for older engines struggling with oil consumption or leakage issues. The potential benefits of these additives include improved engine performance, reduced emissions, and extended engine life. However, it's essential to remember that these additives should complement and not replace regular vehicle maintenance. Regular oil changes, fuel system cleans, and engine checkups are still the best ways to keep your car in top shape. So there you have it. These are the 3 types of car additives that we recommend for extending your engine life. Now let's move on to the next part of our discussion. Let's dive deeper into fuel additives and their benefits. Fuel additives are a car enthusiast's secret weapon. They pack a punch in offering a myriad of benefits for your vehicle's performance and longevity. First off, they offer excellent protection against rust and corrosion. By creating a barrier between your fuel and engine parts, they ensure the longevity of your engine, keeping it smooth running and in tip-top condition. Next, they improve fuel consumption. Fuel additives optimize the combustion environment in your engine. This means that your vehicle can extract the maximum amount of energy from the fuel, resulting in improved mileage and a smoother ride. Not only do fuel additives boost performance, but they also help reduce emissions. By improving fuel combustion, they reduce the amount of harmful pollutants released into the environment. This makes fuel additives a more eco-conscious choice for those looking to minimize their carbon footprint. Lastly, they extend engine life. By protecting against rust, improving fuel consumption, and reducing emissions, fuel additives can help prolong the lifespan of your engine, saving you from costly repairs or replacements down the line. But remember, not all fuel additives are created equal, and their effectiveness can vary. It's always best to follow your car manufacturer's recommendations and use a high-quality fuel additive. So there you have it. Fuel additives can provide excellent protection and improve the performance of your engine if used correctly. Fuel additives come in different types, each with a specific function. The first type we have is fuel system cleaners. These additives claim to scrub away carbon and other buildups from your fuel system, enhancing your car's overall performance. The next type is fuel injection cleaners. These are designed to clear away carbon that has accumulated on your fuel injectors. If left unchecked, this buildup can negatively impact your gas mileage. By using a fuel injection cleaner, you're ensuring that your car runs as efficiently as possible. Then we have gas mileage additives. These promise to improve the combustion efficiency of your gasoline. When your fuel burns more efficiently, it results in better fuel economy. This means you'll need less gas to travel the same distance, saving you money in the long run. Lastly, we have fuel stabilizers. These are essential if you're planning on storing your car for a prolonged period without use. Fuel stabilizers keep the fuel in a functional condition, preventing it from degrading and forming gum and varnish that could clog your fuel system and damage your engine. So whether you're looking to enhance your car's performance, improve your gas mileage, or store your vehicle for a while, there's a fuel additive out there designed to meet your specific needs. Each type of fuel additive has a specific function and target area in the fuel system. One of the common questions about fuel additives is whether they can clean injectors. The answer is yes, but with a bit of nuance. Fuel additives possess the ability to clean injectors, but the degree of effectiveness can vary greatly depending on the product. Some fuel additives might only offer a partial or temporary cleaning effect, while others might not make a noticeable difference at all. This is because the deposits that clog the injectors can be stubborn, and not all additives are formulated to tackle these effectively. However, there are specific types of fuel additives that are designed for this very purpose. These additives contain detergents that work to dissolve and remove the deposits that obstruct the injectors. This helps to restore their spray pattern, ensuring fuel can be delivered to the engine more efficiently. The best way to ensure that the injectors are properly cleaned is to use a specific type of fuel additive that is designed for this purpose. So not all car additives are harmful. In fact, when used correctly, some can even extend your engine's lifespan. Fuel stabilizers, octane boosters, and certain oil additives can offer significant benefits. However, it's crucial to remember that not all additives are created equal. Some may cause damage if used improperly or too frequently. As always, your car manufacturer's guidelines should be your first point of reference. Thanks for watching this video. Remember to follow your car manufacturer's recommendations and use car additives wisely.